Taxi operator shot dead outside sh0t in Portmore. 4 injured in Portland crash. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Scores of children scampered for cover when a gunman shot and killed a taxi operator outside sh0t High School in Portmore, St. Catherine Wednesday afternoon. The shooting happened about 2 p.m. at a section of the Burton Parkway. The taxi operator, said to be known as Russian, was shot and killed while picking up passengers in front of the school, which had already dismissed for the day. The fatal shooting snarled traffic in the area, and police officers diverted motorists through Manzan and adjoining communities. Several taxi operators pulled on the soft shoulder of the road as they mourned their colleague. No student was harmed in the incident. 4 persons were injured in a 3-vehicle crash in Orange Bay, Portland on Tuesday. 2 of them are said to be in critical condition in hospital. The crash happened about 7 p.m. The police report that a gray Toyota Probox motor car and a white Toyota Probox motor car were traveling westerly towards Buff Bay when the gray vehicle attempted to overtake the white car and hit into the side. It is further reported that the gray Probox then slammed into a sedan motor car that was traveling in the opposite direction. Passengers in all 3 vehicles sustained injuries and were assisted by residents and firefighters. They were taken to the Onoto Bay Hospital. The police have appealed to motorists to travel with caution.